Welcome viewers and dear learners to my channel Learning English with Amol. This video is about the novel To Sir with Love written by E.R. Braithwaite. This video is going to highlight on the brief account of novelist E.R. Braithwaite and his contribution in the world of literary genre novel. Eustace Edward Ricardo Braithwaite, in other words, he is known as E.R. Braithwaite. He was a British American novelist, writer, teacher, and a diplomat who was born in the year 1912 and died in the year 2016. E.R. Braithwaite has particularly focused on social conditions and racial discrimination in all his works. E.R. Braithwaite has contributed through some of his well-known writings a kind of homecoming. It is all about his tour of Africa. Another is A Choice of Straws, and another one is Reluctant Neighbors. Braithwaite's numerous writings primarily deal with the difficulties of being an educated black man, a black social worker, a black teacher, and simply a human being who found himself in a set of inhuman circumstances. In short, the writer has focused more on what social situation was prevailing while living and how he faced so many difficulties being just a black man. Despite well qualified, he could not find the justified things happening around, and he had undergone so many difficulties during his lifetime. So these things are focused basically there in this writing. Now about the novel. To Sir with Love is an autobiographical novel which was published in 1959. The novel tells us about the first year experience of the writer as a teacher in Greenslade School. In the novel, the writer is in the position as the narrator, Ricky Braithwaite, who is by occupation an engineer. Afterwards, he served in the British Royal Air Force in the war. But later on, when he loses his job, he accepts the job of a teacher in a rough London East End school. The narrator, who is an engineer, who loses his job in the Royal Air Force of the British government, afterwards, to make both ends meet, means to earn his living, he accepts the job of a teacher in such a school, the school which is full of troublemakers, students who were rejected from other schools for their behavior. In short, he came across such a stuff of students who were absolutely good for none, especially because of their behavior, and he came across and he got a counter with such students, and that was a testing time. How he dealt with that is given there in the novel. At the beginning, the narrator is ridiculed and bullied by the students, but later his calm demeanor and desire to see them succeed gradually earn him their respect. This is what all is about the novel. In the outset of the novel, the students of that Greenslade school remain very disrespectful, ill mannered, undisciplined, and very mischievous with the writer or the narrator. They harassed and troubled him. They tortured him mentally and physically too. Initial period for the narrator is truly a very testing period, but gradually he understands how to deal with such students and he makes some innovative practices, and later on he gets the right reward of it, that at the end of the day the students actually start having respect for this teacher and they show their respect by offering him a gift. The major themes of the novel are students teacher relationship, racism, prejudice, and need of new approach in education. These core issues are highlighted there in this novel. All these important things we will see in our next video. If you like this video, please mark like, share it with your friends and relatives, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.